Meaning of Eddie Cochran.
Eddie Cochran.
Eddie Cochran.
Eddie Cochran.
Eddie Cochran. Eddie Cochran was an American musician, singer, and songwriter who rose to fame in the 1950s. He is best known for his rock and roll hits, such as Summertime Blues and Come On Everybody. Cochran's music style was characterized by its energy and rawness, which influenced many musicians that followed him. Unfortunately, he died at the young age of 21 in a car accident while on tour in England. Despite his short career, Cochran's impact on rock and roll is still felt today.